Hello everyone, welcome to Share Market C2C channel special episode Multibagger stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about 8 multibagger stocks and their fundamentals and how they are going to perform in the future, and is it worth to invest in these stocks after being rallied so much, and how we can make our investment plan with these stocks. So let's get into this video. So as discussed, the agenda is to discuss about the 8 multi-bagger stocks with fundamental analysis. The first stock that we are going to see is from the President of India's portfolio stock, which have received a huge order from the Ministry of Defense worth of 18 crore from the Ministry of Defense. Their order book worth is now 4,800 crores. What is the stock? That is none other than the Railtel Corporation. We have seen this stock and we have recommended this stock multiple times. Even from our recommendation earlier, the stock moved further up to the level of 450. Now again coming into a consolidation after profit booking. So this stock have a huge opportunity to move upside. So this stock have received a very good order from Ministry of Defense for laying OFC cables and maintenance for over 3 years for the same what they are going to doing the cable laying. So this stock have a potential to move higher after a slight consolidation. Earlier we also recommended this stock can be considered around the range of 400. Now the stock is around the range of 400. It's a good to buy this stock around the range of 380 to 400 rupees for the further upside. So as we said, this stock also shown a good quarterly results, and they have a good number of orders in their order book. So this stock already having return of 256% from the previous year. So still the stock have a potential to move upwards. In fact, the President of India holds a commanding of a 72% stake in this company. That is very important for this to consider this stock. So this stock have really potential. Currently the stock trading at the range of 396. The 52-week high is 459 and 52-week low is 96. It's a good opportunity to consider between the range of 380 to 400, and below 380 to 350 you can invest of around 30% from the purchase value, and if it goes below 300 you can invest 40%. So by this in a splitting way, this stock will give a good returns in the near future. The second stock that we are going to see having a order book of 12,000 crores, where the DAIs increase their stakes, and late Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala having a good amount of stock in this in his portfolio for this stock. This stock secured 33.5 million contract in Saudi Arabia. What is this stock? It's the great Vatek Wabak. So this stock having a background of doing plant treating water plant treating technologies with them. So this stock currently is trading it at the range of 685. The stock having a 52-week high at 737 and low at 304. The stock having a good quarterly results, and they are having a based on the new project that they have awarded. The order book is also seems to be huge weighted for this stock. With this consideration, we strongly recommend this stock have a potential to move forward. The stock can be bought at the range of 650 to 660 rupees. When it comes down from there, the stock will give a decent return for the future. The next stock that we are going to see is also in the sector of water treatment planting sector. This small cap stock have received an order of 4,128 crore recently from BMC. So the order book of its the stock hit almost like 8,500, which is a new milestone for this stock. The stock name is Welspun Enterprises, which is a famous stock known to many of the investors. This stock having a potential to go further upside where they are having diversified business in many of their road and water sectors. And this stock recently got an order from BMC, which I told, Briha Mumbai Municipal Corporation, which they are going to complete the project by 48 months, which is a water treatment plant, and also they are going to have their maintenance also for 15 years, which is after the excluding GST, the stock, the order worth is 4,128 crores, which is excellent for this stock to be from the small cap, which have potential to grow more forward. Also, they are having, as I mentioned, they have diversified business in UP, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, in various states. So, which approximately having the worth of 5,500 crores. So the stock trading at the current range 360 rupees, 52-week high is 382 and 52 weeks low is 117. Below 340, this stock can be considered for the purchase for the long time. It will give a good returns in the future. So the next stock that we are going to see is a penny stock, which is none other than, I would say, it is a Vikas Life Care. This stock is being currently under radar by multiple investing side like a DIA, FIIs. So recently there was a deal being made with Industrial Investment Trust Limited, where they have purchased 75 lakhs equity shares, which is almost worth of 33.6% of the company's stakeholding. So that's a major why the company is having a vision of a good view on their expanding of their businesses, where it is regulated by the SEBI for the recent transaction which is being done, and they are having already, we had a news and we have discussed about this, they are trying to make a venturing with the smart gas meters via IGL, which is Andhra Pradesh Gas Limited, and also GGSPL. So with them, they are trying to make a new joint venture to expand their business rapidly, along with FMCG, agro, and infrastructure. So that's how this stock is currently trading in the range of 7 rupees. And there are multiple diversified business with this Vikas, which is like Vikas Ecotech, Vikas Life Care, and Vikas some other stocks also been trading in a penny, where they are having a good vision of their business. With this, the stock also they are having their diversified business in the Middle East and the Asian countries also. So based on that, we are already, the stock have given a 167% return, from which turns into multi-bagger from 2.66 rupees. It moved almost to the range of 7.6 rupees. I was considering to get into this stock if it is come to the below 7. The stock is currently exactly trading in the range of 7 rupees. So when it is come to below 6.5 or 6.5, it is very good opportunity to invest on this penny stock, which will be sure to be into a multi-bagger in future, considering their business vision and their growth. So the stock, as I mentioned, it hit 52-week high with 7.92, while its low is 2.66. Currently it is trading in the range of 7.15. Below 6.5, it is a must considerable stock for your future long-term stock holding. So the next stock which we are going to see, which is one of the micro cap stock, which given a very good dividend return, and also it's been focusing very much, where it is good for its low PE value, and their dividend yielding consistent more than 7 rupees, and this time they have given a massive of 15 rupees dividend per stock, which is none other than Majestic Auto, which is one of the stock in the auto sector, which is having the market cap of around 365 crores only. However, this stock having a potential, having a good vision, as I mentioned, for the Vikas Life Care. This stock showing a good potential to move forward with the auto sector's growing competition, where they are mainly into auto parts of manufacturing. The stock currently issued declared a dividend of 15 rupees per share, which is a deadline date of 20th February. So which is highest in its history. Earlier they used to give like 7.5 rupees like this. This is the first time they even doubled their dividend, which shows their future growth and how strong the investors are believing on this stock. So their quarterly results also seems to be very good. So that's how they are reflecting with showing to the investors with a good amount of dividend. So this stock already surged of more than 224% over the last 3 years, and within last 1 year, the stock have given return of 143%. So considering all their business ethics, this stock have a potential to move forward from its current level, which is 366 rupees is the current trading level. 52-week high is 372 and 52-week low is 125. So below 340, this stock is considerable to start accumulating from this level onwards. So the next stock which we are going to see again, which is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's holding stock, which is have given more than 100% in 6 months, which is none other than the reality stock, which is DB Realities. So this stock is also recently announced that they are going to have a demerger with its hospitality business from its real estating business on Friday. So because of that, the stock also moved more than 3% on last trading session. So as they are having, they are very famous for its hotel businesses, and they are having operations such as Gone Hotels and BD and P Hotels, and also Bamboo Hotels and Global Center in Delhi, where they have diversified hotels in multiple states in across the country, where they are also very known for its real estate business. They are having a very good vision. Also, they are focusing more into real estate. So they want to diversify their business, and also they want to make the stocks to split into two, with real estate and also for hotel businesses. So the stock can be trading in a two different with increasing their capitals also. So that's why their plan is to demerger, and this is one of the excellent stocks in the future that will be growing definitely. So this stock have given a return of more than 2.5 times than the Nifty 500 index. So that's how the stock been performed over the last years. In 3 years, the stock have given a return of 1,376% return, which is a massive multi-bagger. In last 3 months alone, the stock have given around 53%, and for the last year it have given 285%. So this stock is most considerable stock when it comes to the range below 240 rupees. That's how we are predicting. So when it comes to the level below 240, you can start accumulating this stock. 52-week high is 284 and 52-week low is 55 rupees. So the next stock which we are going to see, where the promoter itself have bought for around 50 lakh shares of its own stock, and the FIIs have brought around like 1.8 crore shares via preferential issues, where they have considered preferential issues that stock the share will be given at a fixed price to some of the investors. So the stock hit a 52-week high because of the huge FII investment shown interest on this stock, which is none other than Balaji Telefilms. So which they are shown interest by the FIIs for the recent time. So as I mentioned, the promoter Ekta Ravi Kapoor have bought 50 lakhs crores, and FIIs Aries Opportunities Fund Limited, Tano Investment Opportunities, Elara India Opportunities Fund. So many investment funds have purchased around the range of 1.8 crores via preferential issues. This shows how the stock been shown interest on their fundamentals of the growth of the business. The main main business of this Balaji Telefilms is they are involved in the television making of programs. They're very famous for the making of a content of the television channels. Also, they are involved in B2C as well as B2B digital contents business. They are very famous for this, and the stock is trading very good in attractive price. The market cap of this stock is 1,311, which is considered as a small cap stock, and quarterly results and half yearly results also very excellent. The stock have given return of 150% in just 6 months, so which is higher than 8.5 percentage of Sensex index. So it's a must considerable stock by the investors when the stock is coming to the range of consolidation. Currently the stock is trading in the range of 129, so 52-week high is 132, low is 35. So the stock to be considered around the range of 110 to 120 range for the future long-term growth. So the last stock which we are going to see is a pharma stock, which is none other than, we have already recommended this stock, which is Strides Pharma. This stock under pharma sector is giving a good returns, and they are reducing their debts also. Apart from the profit that they are making, they are reducing their debts, which is especially a good notification that companies fundamentally is going better, and their profit percentage also increasing periodically. And this is one of the best recognized stock in the US markets as well for under the pharma, and they are been very good marketing in their African countries also. So this stock having as mentioned, they are reducing their debts equal to the EBITDA ratio also. They are declining with their debts, and that is very excellent. The revenue is also 17 percentage without amplifying its debt profile. So that is what I have mentioned in the earlier. So this is a very key important thing that you have to see whenever you are investing in some stocks. So Strides Pharma Science is very important stocks that investors or the new investors coming in have to consider this stock for the future long-term growth or investment. So the Amnansa Holding Private Limited have bought around 11 lakh shares at the range of 713 rupees. So which they are considering the stock have a potential to move forward. So with this, the stock have recently have given 134 percentage in the last year, so which is been a solid multi-bagger return stock in the pharma sector. The stock is trading in the range of 700 rupees, where you see the investors shown interest to buy a bulk deal at 711 rupees means 13 rupees means which have the stock potential to break out going above level. So one can consider this range. If the stocks comes below to the range of 680, you can start considering this stock for a long term return. The 52-week high is 736 rupees, 52-week low is 268 rupees. So that's it for today. I hope these 8 multi-bagger stocks are very beneficial for you. So you have to always look into consider to get the stock in the consolidation price, not at the higher level. So market always will give an opportunity to buy the stocks at correct time. So do not buy any stock without your fundamental analysis. This is for your idea and knowledge purpose. So whenever you are considering for the stock to buy when they are in down, not on the high. So I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is for educational purpose. If you like this video, please share to your network, subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.